In this video, I'm going to share the live result of the natural wash under eye cream. It is for puffiness, dark circles and fine lines. Here is a list of ingredients. It comes for 560 rupees, and here is the massager that comes along with the cream. This is how you can use it. My area of concern was the puffiness under my eyes, and I specially bought it to test that. I was kind of skeptical before buying any of the under eye cream because the puffiness which I have is sort of permanent, and I'm not expecting any 100% result, or I'm not expecting that I'm going to get rid of it. But since I've read and heard many good reviews about the natural wash under eye cream, and it is natural and it has got many good ingredients like almond, papaya and potato, so I thought that I should give it a try and see that if it works. You can use it either with the massager, or you can just gently pat the area under the eyes. So here is the result. You can see the underlying my eyes has definitely reduced, and I'm happy with the result.